You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, in Spanish in particular. Pronounced in English, the English pronunciation has different forms, but in Spanish it's pronounced as Eliana, Eliana. In English it's usually pronounced as Eliana as well, because from Spanish pronunciation, Eliana, how to pronounce Eliana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.